Hello everyone, welcome in this video. I will show you step by step how to reactivate your old or aging Cash App account. Okay, step 1. Open your Cash App. You will see the sign in screen right away. Step number 2. Enter the phone number or email linked to your old account. Then enter the verification code you received. If you still can't log in, don't worry. Step 3. Go to your profile, tap on support, then select something else, and finally tap on access old account. Here I attached some screenshot of this process. Step number 4. Fill out the form with your old ID, cash tag, phone number, email, or linked bank details and submit it. Step number 5. Now just wait for Cash App for verify your information. They may ask for ID or transaction proof. Once verified, your account will be reactivated. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.